Hello everyone. So this is Surya sir teaching for UPSC CSC Anthropology. So many students have requested me to create a video on the criticism of anthropological approach to religion. So here we have created, many anthropologists have given their approaches towards evolution of religion, and we have created a table regarding the same. On the left hand side there are various anthropologists with their various approaches towards religion, and on the right side the criticisms that has been levied against them has been written. So on the left hand side, John Lubbock was an English anthropologist. He first of all made an attempt to combine the archaeological evidences of prehistoric and pre-literate people with anthropological evidence of the primitive people. That means the antiquities, the ornaments and utensils he found, he tried to relate it with the religious practices. He gave his evolution from fetishism, that is fetish objects, finally to monotheism. So criticism leveled against him is that is a part study. When you excavate archaeology or in ornaments, utensils, you cannot for sure say that it was used for religious purposes. Also a sequence of fetishism, then naturalism, totemism, shamanism and monotheism. How did he arrive at sequence? Only through archaeological evidences. Hence it is dubious to say that this sequence was only followed only on the basis of archaeological evidences. Hence it is also called as part studies. E.B. Tyler's evolutionary approach was given his book Primitive Culture of 1871, which is animism, in which the anima or the soul is considered. Now what is the criticism levied against E.B. Tyler? Tyler believed in soul, that every living being including human beings have soul, but there is no scientific evidence of this anima or soul. So how can you give an approach of animism and animatism in religion? Climax culture, that is the terminal culture after evolution, was said to be monotheism by E.B. Tyler. But it can be polytheistic also, because Hinduism has many gods. In South India there are many gods. In tribal cultures, Santhal, Gond, Northeast tribes all have many gods whom they worship. So the climax cultures can be polytheistic also, not only monotheistic. This is a criticism levied against E.B. Tyler. James Fraser gave his anthropological approach towards religion in his famous book Golden Bough, Magic, Religion and then Science. The criticism levied was it is too strict application of evolution, and many of these can coexist within the same society. So it disregards their coexistence in the same societies. For example, modern day societies have scientific practices. So many are atheistic also, who do not follow any religion. Then there are religions, Hinduism, Islam, Christianity. Various religions are practiced in India. But magical practices are also there, like shamanism, which is practiced among Central Indian tribes. So this is disregarded by James Fraser, hence it is its criticism. Karl Marx gave his approach that religion is the opium for masses. That is, religion combines or attracts maximum people towards it. So this was a dysfunction of religion. The criticism levied against Karl Marx was that he disregarded the functional aspect. He only considered the negative aspects of religion. That is, it was used for class exploitation, political mobilization and labor mobilization. But it does not he disregarded that it can also be used to maintaining social structure. It has also many functional aspects. Now here you can link it with paper 2, Varna system in Hinduism, where Brahman, Vaishya, Shudra, these groups are given. In these groups are helping maintain the Hindu social structure from time immemorial, or from when Hinduism has originated. So here you are linking it with paper 2, you are getting more marks in the exam. Psychological example is psychological approach to religion was given by Freud, and he believed in the totem meal. So you must have studied his approach. What was the criticism? That his interpretation was unaccepted by most thinkers like Harris, though his way of explanation has been accepted, that children or son, they kill their father and they eat them as totem meal. So whatever psychological explanation Freud has given, the way of explanation has been accepted, but it cannot be the only approach of religion. Religion also performs various social functions. various evolutionary functions that has been ignored by the psychological approach of Freud. Functionalism and structuralism approach by Malinowski and A.R.C. Brown is very important. Now when you write functionalism by Malinowski in Anthropological Approach to Religion, you can simply mention A.R. Brown or R.C. Brown criticize the functionalism. Why? Because functionalism focused on individual. Malinowski said everything is related with individual. In religion, rituals, practices, everything is for individual. But A.R. Brown said that focus on individual is excessive, and individual by alone cannot follow different rituals, otherwise there will be chaos. Hence social dependence is important. So religion preaches us social dependence. Due to social dependence, a society group or social group follows particular religious practices or rituals. This brings a social solidarity, maintains social structure. So in this way you can criticize functionalism. Victor Turner and Clifford Geertz gave a symbolic or interpretative approach to religion. Now, various symbols were considered in their studies as being representative of that particular religion, but the excessive focus on symbols became its criticism. They considered one particular symbol as the representative of whole religion and its ritual. Now this may not be correct, and this is usually not correct. Hence it was a part study, it was non-holistic in approach. Hence this criticism was levied against the symbolic or interpretative approach of Victor Turner and Clifford Geertz. So these were the major criticism which you can mention in your answer briefly and enhance your answers value and marks. Now if you like this video, please like and share and subscribe at Surya's Anthro for UPSC. You can also join my Telegram channel at the rate of IELTS with Surya for more updates. Thank you very much for watching this video and keep supporting me. Thank you.